All right, guys, we're super excited today because there's a mystery box. And on this mystery box, somebody actually wrote the words, mystery box.
So hard to read upside down.
Ah! Oh, wow. What is it?
Oh.
It's hairy on the bottom.
Loser? Loser Cruiser?
This is my nickname in high school.
What?
Wow.
It's a beard.
Oh.
What is that?
I think he's got a little naked mole rat down there.
What in the world?
Look, it's censored. It's like
That's
Lance's
solid
hairy
shoe.
big beard. Dude,
so.
Is that real hair?
Yeah. First we did real teeth and now we do real hair. Kickflip off? Yes.
Betty's first.
Can it be kickflipped? We don't know. It's just a normal board with a beard on the bottom.
Ow.
It has really nice pop. For real.
For real.
Yeah. Oh, this is smooth. Like a baby's bottom.
Dude, that pop is pretty crazy.
Yeah, the pop's pretty good.
Oh, it's like the Harley Davidson thing I just realized.
Mm-hmm. You're a Harley Davidson thing.
That's true.
Oh, whoa, you lost some hair.
That pops really well though.
That was the worst
wait.
attempted dad kickflip I've ever seen.
Why does the wig look like the beard? Whoa. Wow, Nigel. Whoa! Who knew it was possible? This one's the one?
This one's the one.
Let's see it. Oh! Watch out, there's a rail!
What'd you say?
Call back to the original.
Straight back to the original. Let me see that. The original hairy Bigfoot, the hairy beard foot.
Wow.
I guess it's not technically a foot.
It's not really a foot,
This is technically a beard.
but it is kind of ribbed.
But can it tail slide?
Oh yeah.
We need to get a nose slide on this.
An actual nose.
Should we tray flip off first?
Yeah. Ouch.
Luke, where you at? Tray flip off, bro. You said you know I can't land that. Oh!
We didn't get to see Luke though.
Yeah, I want to see Luke try.
I'll give it a go.
Oh! Hey, that counts. It was a little hairy, but I think it counts.
What, Luke?
Aaron can still
What?
strawberry milkshake?
Yeah, you're a half milkshake.
So we got an actual nose slide coming in.
What grip does the wheels?
I 100%. No. No way. It was the beard.
No, I actually agree with Fetty. I do think it was the wheels. Hey, we've needed to clean off this ledge for a while. All of Carlos's wax.
That's true. Actually, let's just skate every ledge with this and it'll just wipe off all of Carlos's wax.
Yeah, dude, if you board slide the rail.
Do you guys think it's the wheel sticking or the beard? Look at the
Oh
beard.
no! That is actually disgusting.
I got this. I'm probably gonna die.
What are you going for?
Tail slide?
The hair doesn't slide. There's more hair on the tail than on the nose.
Oh, dead.
There's a full mothball. What are you doing? Give me that. Give me that.
Fetty's been a heavy proponent for wax lately.
Okay, give me the wax. So much violence here. We gotta calm him down.
Oh, got him. What?
Finally, somebody with some intelligence.
He just grew a couple hairs on that one.
It's true. I'm gonna let Fetty land this and I'm gonna show him how it's done. Fetty, land it, okay?
Oh, look.
No!
5, dude. This is so wrong in so many different ways.
Is it?
You're
Why?
gonna wax some here too.
Why?
You should get a comb too while you're at it.
Ooh.
Oh.
Where's the wheels?
This board is like a Sasquatch. You don't see that very often. Oh. Dude.
Wax the hair! Look at this.
Dude. Ooh, that's gross. Wait, did you hear that sound? Oh, that sound. You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Remember when Lance would wear a white shirt and you could see his heaps of chest hair through the white shirt?
Yeah.
That's exactly what this reminds me
Lance's
of.
chest hair board.
Yeah. That was smooth.
That was straight fur.
He shaved them.
I had a dream last night that Gru Bear his hair out and got cornrows.
That Gru Bear's hair out?
And cornrowed him.
Dude, I know why we're not landing it. Wax isn't gonna work. We need conditioner. Hey, that was probably the closest one yet.
It can be done.
There you go, Aaron. There you go.
That trick seems pretty hairy.
This is really actually gonna work.
Oh, that's waxy.
Actually, you know what I need? Can you grab me the blowtorch?
Yes.
You thought it was gross before.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it was dripping. Just let it drip. Oh yeah.
Oh,
there it
perfect. Wow. Oh, ow.
All right, look, this is for you, up here. Are you ready? Yeah. So it satisfies you?
Oh, it smells so bad.
That smells terrible.
Ooh, wow, isn't that nice?
I hope you still stick.
What is Braille about? Helping your friends grow and learn new tricks.
Oh, dude, it looks like dandruff.
Yeah.
You didn't actually get on the wax, that's why.
You don't think so?
No. Oh, no! No one is ever skating that again.
What happened to
That's
it?
wax.
It's so fast now.
Aaron, the way you're rolling up to that literally looks like you're about to ollie down like a 40-foot gap.
Because I am. I love how we just purposely set up the ramps in a perfect way to kill you. All right, Fetty will board
You
slide
gotta
it.
learn that, dude. Oh my! How did you do that?
Lean back.
See, it's tricky because it either slides really good or really bad.
What?
Oh, my name's Fetty and I can do everything.
Nigel, what I would like you to do is go next and do a board slide on that. Get used to it so you could do the handrail.
I'm not doing the handrail.
Okay, Luke, do the handrail.
No. See, it's fine. Come on, you got it. I don't know what you guys are doing wrong.
I don't know how Fetty did that.
Me neither.
Dude! Alright, give me that.
Hey, there we go.
It's
There we
so
go.
satisfying. Like, it doesn't make any noise.
I know. The wheels are quiet.
Yeah.
The slide is quiet. Aaron is quiet.
The Prius of skateboards. Time.
That looks so bad.
Why?
No,
Feel it.
it looks like chocolate frosting. What? That's like the best board ever.
You already did all the tricks already.
You got some stuff.
Bet you never seen this before.
Wow, you're so cool.
Thanks. I don't like it.
What?
Get up and get.
Hey. What?
Oh, go to work.
Oh! Work it! You haven't done the line that good on a regular skateboard in a long time.
Change my shirt. New Braille gear. In the shop now.
Wow!
We're gonna do a skippy bop, then a boop bop, and then we're going over. Okay, son?
Wow, look at that skippity wee wah woo doo wah wah wee wah. Does anyone have anything down the 5? Board! Wow!
Wow. He got that.
He really shaved that. Hey. You got anything done 550?
I did.
How do you
Wow.
back 180 so good? That's my worst thing is back 180s.
And just put a money bet on it.
I got $20 on the board slide first try.
$20 for whoever does it first try? Oh, look at that! We set him up, huh?
I knew it. I knew it.
Yeah, he did mean front board. Yep, that was the general consensus, was a front board. Dude, you did the backboard so easy. You got this.
Backboard and front board are two different boards.
I know, but you got it.
Okay, go ahead and give it to him. First try. He won.
I won something.
You got it.
It's a harder one.
All right, Notification Squad, you know what to do. How many tries did it take to board slide the handrail with the hair board? Leave it in the comments below. Make sure that you have your notifications turned on, that you are subscribed, that you have shared the video, and you write in your comment hashtag Notification Squad. We will pick a winner and we will send you a prize package. Let's go! All right, guys, thank you so much. You guys are absolutely incredible. Thank you for watching. We want you, each and every one of you, yes, you, to learn how to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com and get skateboarding made simple, or a board or wheels or whatever you need to learn how to skateboard, because it is super fun and we want you to join in on the fun of skateboarding. So go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed. Hope you enjoyed this video. This was really fun to make. What video should we make next? Leave it in the comments below, and go ahead and watch all of the other videos in this playlist. Thank you. You guys are the absolute best. I'll see you next time.